Hello. Now, Bridget Benjamin there for Say It As It Is PG News. Welcome for BBTV, oh, my country people there. When I see where we did today, the story plenty. The story will get it too much. If you never subscribe and at the button that for that, make sure say you subscribe and make sure so you go download BBTV app, because when I know say BBTV get many different things. That BBTV did for YouTube, I will get BBTV online, I will get the BBTV we will come live for even I know where you go get cable very soon. So we do movies, we do different programs. This one are just one of BBTV program they call and say It As It Is PG News. So this Say It As It Is PG News, if you download our app, if you watch them from there direct, if you download our app, you can connect from there direct to watch our Say It As It Is PG News. So for the moment, now the things and the way we will try for the explain and for una. When I see this particular topic for today, this topic for today now for advise our women them. We know say most of we women they will suffer from husbands the way they be that cheat, especially when it concerns African men them. Most of these African men they don't get decision for themselves, they don't get discipline. They be into monogamy a lot. I mean, no, not be monogamy, sorry, polygamy, unlegalized polygamy. That's how I go call them, because they want to be legalized. Most of these African men, they eye all over the place. They don't even control their third leg. So you as a woman, how you feel stand out of a cheating man, or when you get a cheating man, how you feel carry yourself up so that the woman, the way the man they cheat with and they give you that respect and look you for another level. Because most of the time the man they go to cheat you, the woman for us no go know. But when you know how you handle the situation too, in a matter, I don't always advise say if your husband cheat, you know if he stay with him because na a cheating man, pack out. Come on you for the house. No need for you for the stay for day. You two you go cheat. It no make no sense. Too wrong, let it make right. So if you know forgive a cheating man, accept it back, then pack out of the house. Go you. So, and if your husband cheats, if you want to solve the problem or handle the problem, make it be you and the man inside house when I handle the situation together. So today we'll talk about some two way it happened. This story don't happen long time when people don't put on for social media. But me, I bring this story for BBTV and I can't give advice, because most of the time then when things they happen, they only use them for insult, for crush people, for talk all kind of things. But I go give advice to this our sister where they for Sweden where he don't do something where I go advise any woman. I bring this topic now because I want to advise every woman say no be thing the way it good for us women there for the two am. So I go bring this sister for us and name na Besem, na the sister that. My glass is looking fine. When I say that our sister, no sister don't do something way. Me self I should don't for look I ask myself say when you get a character. Because this particular sister don't be now one of the sisters that when it concern social media bullying, it don't be part of it. Now one of the sisters that when they go social media go she don't write insult people. So when people they do those things you feel say sometimes people they just talk. But when this kind of thing come again for video now, because God want expose the person, say we know so that person day. And so that person the character, the way the person that need for help itself. Because when you get that character where you work out, insult people, write poses, some of una typing machine for social media, some of una don't take una book time, when I for the use them for write books. Me I not be good writer, but at the struggle, the small writing one I know for do book. Some of una don't take una time when I for the use them for write books, because una be very good writer. Sometimes the be when I see put the write for Facebook, I clap because they know how to write. So that time where you don't get them, where you feel right, so why not take and put them, then use them for write book. Then my sister take your own time where you get them for the insult people. And then you see how things they can't turn now. It can't show now again, he go for train station. I bet where that other sister, the way he say now he follow him massa. Ernestine. Where that one, me that one come out, I bet my glasses look fine. My dear sister, I no go talk say you follow or you no follow. Because from the video where we go watch am, I first show this video before I come back for this story. Now the video be that.
Rubbish. Video me fine. Useless woman. You press your head. You want my eye will follow you. You want my eye will fuck you. Say you the work at you seduce for massa. May fuck you. After I don't finish or give for Pamela. You the give me Me, you want, you say you try for fucking, you know, succeed. You dey give me Pamela fucking. Na me I drive your master. Na me I drive Pan Congo. Na me I drive your master. Useless fool. Play with me. Crazy your head. Who born that dog? I say you go, you attack Tracy. You follow you. I'm follow Chris Gole. Even if I follow you.
When I welcome back with BBTV, when I don't watch this story, I don't show una no. Some of una go don't see this story before, but when I know so when I see story, so when BBC will fall for anything on social media, I go come for can analyze them for the right way. So now the video that when I watch them, if you never subscribe before you continue this news because a lot of positive advice they here today. Whether my two sisters and they might bring them back now, then two then that. I don't want to talk for you our sister Besem. The one Ernestine might talk for you. I don't know whether you sleep a man or you know sleep a man, but from what you talk, that's say you the struggle for sleep a man. I don't carry your friend whether na Pamela again for a massa. Then you still struggle now for you yourself for one sleep the man. I don't know which stupidity be that. I don't know whether any woman go fit do that kind of thing. Say don't carry friend first girl for some man. They each one go to sleep the man. So I don't know whether this best day so he be frustrated inside a married house or a man the matrixy where they carry frustration now one put her for outside because this particular best might be yesterday they want insulting somewhere. Go pay me, you know. So when I see Cameroonian women there, when I there for Europe, una know una right. You know you're right. When person want cyberbully you, when person want insult you when it concerns social media, my dear sister, you know you're right. No need for go to pay for blackmail. Because why would they pay when they want blackmail they promote blackmail. But if you know you're right, you know go pay for blackmail. I be one person where they don't struggle all that thing for me for this too, for send me things for my inbox. Say, oh, if I don't do so, they go put up for social media. I tell them to go put them. Because I know my right, I know who's have to follow you too. But you wanna go there for Europe, person will go put a picture for social media, say why insult you, you go commode my dear sister. You dey go pay that 300 euro if you use and find lawyer will follow up that case for you. You take and for go pay me they no insult you. When I leave that one, you dey fear me they no insult you because you yourself you know say you self don't insult a lot of people. If that people then too they want turn now, say me they start the insult. And just sometimes then when people they don't insult you should not go back for insult. Too wrong doesn't make it right. So this my Ernestine sister, my movie for you because for you, I don't know whether you follow person man or not follow person man, but if true, you Ernestine, you don't take person in massa give another girl. Where I know me say no man to give woman for another man no. Man picking the go for way to way like him. Because if the Ernestine the friend Pamela be go for either a man, the man no want the man over sister, but if the man be the respective woman, Besem in over sleepy. So I go move Ernestina and Besem. What's that Ernestina in massa day? I mean Besem in a man when I put in the picture. Man look the man fine. Best see a man. Now man that is still look young. You don't live yourself as a woman. You don't throw away your skin. You don't look old past the man. If true the way you look for inside that train, that's why you look inside your house. Why the man no go to waka waka? And then you go accuse that woman that instead for take time to build yourself, build your confidence, build yourself. When you see your man don't start to come up for answer, your man don't start to cheat, your man don't start to do some kind of thing. My sister, I be woman, I don't be for my house. I know those things. So I think you best advice. Start to fix your own self, build your own confidence, carry your skin for up. Make and to be the man know say if he lost you, he don't lost some big thing. Make and be the man, all that girl the way the man define her for us. So when they see you, then say they go shake. You get for make that kind of thing for yourself. It be so disgraceful. Say inside Europe where would they? Woman they una big woman. You know be small picking because if I see you from the picture, I don't say and now be woman with the reach like 50 years. You know be small picking. Then you go camp and go for chance so you insult your other fellow Cameroon woman so they insult you for that kind of way. Even if at all you hear story because I sure say you know catchy and I sure say you know meet up in the gear master for Pamela. I sure say you know if I meet up you hear na hear. And the people they can't tell you the story. If you say they like you, they don't like you. They want me me at home scatter. And you believe them come up for outside can they disgrace yourself. You feel say you disgrace that girl, NST. You know disgrace NST no. Best time you disgrace yourself big time. And you know all these guys say you disgrace your man. You disgrace your man. You take that man, put him for public march and le poto pia. You disgrace it. You disgrace it. When you can't fight with anything for public now, it go help this your situation. Say I'm marry her. How you feel say this video where you don't do and the insult where you don't insult anything and all this way you don't do, it don't help your man and you, it don't downgrade you, it don't disgrace your man, it don't disgrace everything. So today I want to talk for all my fellow women them. If you are a woman out there you married, my dear sister, build your confidence. Make yourself look beautiful. Always feel say you be more than the girls the way the man they talk with her out there. Because sometimes then they will not why we women they would go fight girlfriend and because they feel say the girl then pass we. But if a man don't marry you among all that girl the way they say, I mean you pass all the girl them. So what you get for doing now, carry your skin. Make sure so you rebuild yourself every time. Do different things. Try for get multiple skills. Try for keep yourself beautiful and always young and always smiling. Not the stress for some certain nonsense. And not the listening to when people can't tell you gossip about your husband. Not the listening. One person call your telephone for tell you about your husband, tell you so you know be putting the investigator for your man. You yourself as an intelligent woman, if you know when your husband is cheat and when he cheat, if you do with your husband for house, you go know. Me, I didn't know. So if you be an intelligent woman, you go know all those things them. So no need for the worker fight up and down. Talk to the man, put it down. Time and then make sure say every time you and your master they get intimate communication, intimate dialogue. Always strive for the renew your love with tea. Renew your love with tea. If you can be telling him I love you every day, maybe tell you to say love you every day, it's good. When I renew when I love, sometimes they be with some person you go do with some man. People they just say, oh, that woman don't charm the man, that woman. Na lie. Na lie. Man picking a jodele baby. And why most men when they want married, they say they find woman with their mommy because they need a woman where you go the pamper them, they pet them, they give them that kingship where they be. A man just need for be a lot for a house and a king. And he need not forget stress. He need not me, you know, even Bible talk and say that for a man to stay with a nagging wife, me better stay alone in a ceiling. So now the situation that. So I beg all my sisters the way they day out, they don't ever go disgrace yourself like this because of a man. Never. You go instead push them. If you make that man leave you for this kind of situation, no ever disgrace yourself like this because of a man. No do am. Get your pride. Talk to the man at home. If the man want this to you, pack, come out. If you feel say the other woman I better pass you, go you. What's the problem there? You woman that they marry for 60, 63, 70 years. Women they marry now. The first time we get to say a man picking they marry for 40, 50, 60 years, and men they get more advantage. Woman that they married, carry your skin fine. Carry your skin fine. You go get better man to go love you. Cherish you, not listen for that. TV we get a 10 picking the way you don't born them. So man go they go stick and meet you, love you. So far as you know how for be put your body for up, carry your skin, work your money, look clean and beautiful. So now the thing that I want to tell all my women then today, no ever disgrace yourself. So best them I beg you come up for you because you don't really disgrace we come one woman then. Next time my sister, no ever do the kind of thing. No ever. And apologize for your husband for the two way you do am. Apologize for your husband. Kneel down, beg you, ask him for forgiveness. Because do what you do so you disgrace that man big time. So now all that I go tell one for today. This particular news though about vex me because I don't want to see our Cameroonian sister that they disgrace themselves so. And social media now play where one thing don't come up, people go share. There's some people the way they work now for insult people, whether they take advantage of this kind of thing, they go now for social media, start the insult person, and they work this, they go take and now start the insult. Way nobody the way that for advice people for public. So when they say they want to move people gassed for blue up, where they never first take care for their own self, where they never first clean their own self, never first advise their own self. But they want advise people when the people they even help them move them from their suffering and their miserable life. Now that people don't want to advise the people where they want to be their age, they already achieve a lot for life. So now the thing that I go talk for now today, I go live for the moment. Now when I get Bridget Benjamin they here for say it as it is PG News. Make sure so you download our app and subscribe for the button there for you. Au revoir.